Hello everybody, this is my full guide on how to fix lag and stuttering in Wuthering Waves. Okay, the first thing we want to do within the game is go into the settings. Now from here you want to adjust a couple of different settings. So go into here, scroll down until you see shadow quality, set this to low. Volumetric fog, you want this to be off. You want volumetric lighting to be off. And motion blur, you want this to be off. Okay, you also want to disable a couple other features such as NVIDIA DLSS, VSync right here, and NVIDIA Reflex. I can't turn that off. I think I have to leave this game to turn off. Okay, now once you've done that, go to the frame rate. Reduce the cap from 60 to 45 if you're on a lower end PC. You also want to make sure the screen mode is on full screen. Now after you've done that, restart the game to see if that fixed a lot of the FPS. Okay, those are the settings from within the game, so let's do a couple of different settings outside the game to increase performance. Now it may sound quite obvious, but you want to try to install the game on an SSD if you haven't already, and you want to update your GPU drivers. You also want to try to close background applications, so Control Shift Escape. And this will bring up your task manager. You can sort by memory usage and CPU usage and basically right click everything that seems to be taking a lot of usage and right click on it and say end task. And just be sure not to end anything too important, but that will save a lot of different things. You also want to switch to a wired connection if you're currently on Wi-Fi. One other thing you can try is I use a program called Exit Lag. It is free for 3 days. You don't need a credit card, and it's $5 a month after that, so it's not that expensive. And what this is, basically it's an optimizer for FPS for video games. Here you can find Wuthering Waves on here. You can choose the server, have it optimize the route, and it will find the closest server that you are located to. The other cool thing about this is that it allows you to shotgun your internet. So basically, if you're on, for example, a mobile connection and a Wi-Fi connection, you can combine them to make a super fast connection. It's really cool. On top of that, it has a couple of different FPS boost things that for within the game that basically makes the game just run better. With this program, I gain about 20 to 30 FPS on pretty much every game that is on the library, so I definitely recommend it. I'm putting a link to it in the video description, and I'll pin the comment to it as well. Some other things that seem to fix it for people is that once you launch the game, allow it to idle for about 5 to 10 minutes while it's doing the compilation. I don't know why, but basically if you try to start the game while the shaders are not compiled, it will just basically lag the game. The next thing you want to try is I uploaded this to my Google Drive, but basically what it is it's a series of files that you can download. So let me copy the link. You can download it from here, and once you've downloaded it, you can unzip it, and you basically just move this into whatever the file wherever it's installed. So you have the Wuthering Waves game, and you just move this into the installation directory here, and you say replace the file thing, and what that will do, and you just start the game normally, and this has a lot of different fixes for the game, and it will basically make the game just run much quicker. The next thing you want to try is to disable anti-cheat software. So a lot of anti-cheat software for Valorant or things like that seem to lag this game. So go through that. If you have any anti-cheat software for Counter-Strike, for Steam, or for Valorant, turn all of that off and see if that fixes the issue. And the last thing you want to do is, if it's still lagging or stuttering pretty badly, you want to uninstall the game and then use a different launcher. I'm currently using the official launcher, whatever you call it, off of the website, but you can also get it off the Epic Games Store, and seeing if that fixes the issue. Or you can click on Launch with DirectX 11 from this launcher, start it, and see if that helps at all too. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.